Welcome to the ACHA 2021 Virtual Annual Meeting Event Portal. This video will give you a brief overview of the features and functionality of the site. Please familiarize yourself further by clicking through the navigation and reviewing the FAQs, the final program, additional overviews, and CE credit instructions before the meeting begins. When you first enter the site, we're asking everyone to begin by viewing the login instructions. By clicking this page, you'll find a short tutorial that will help you find or reset your username and password that will be needed for this site. There's also a page that describes how this platform manages time zones that will be important to note so that you can be sure to enter sessions on time. You'll see in the sidebar a second way to access the login tutorial under the sign-in box. And at the bottom of the sidebar, we've given you those links again, as well as the browser requirements for this platform. We recommend a current version of Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Edge, or Safari. We do not recommend Internet Explorer. On June 8th and 9th, watch this space for a box where you will be able to access a live chat assistant. They'll be available from 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time until 30 minutes after the last session each day. From the site homepage, you can access everything you need. You'll go to the agenda for access to participate in live meetings and networking through the June 1 to 3 button, and live educational sessions, including featured events, through the June 8 to 9 button. For a more detailed look at accessing sessions and their related materials, there's a second short video available by going to the Tour the Platform page. There are 40 hours or more of on-demand pre-recorded presentations that are ready for you to view through the on-demand sessions box by clicking View Sessions. There are almost 40 poster sessions that are ready for you to view. Clicking on either of those buttons will present a link of all the titles. You can click and see a preview of the content. And for the ones you want to proceed to watch, simply click to view the poster or the session, and it will take you to that sessions page. The entry to the exhibit showcase is here. The exhibit showcase opens on day 1 at 11 a.m. Eastern with a live chat hour available on most booths. The booth pages are open for browsing at any time, but note on the sidebar in the exhibit showcase, the exhibit showcase schedule, which will give you more information about when you can connect through live chat in real time. Also, be sure to browse these 2 pages where if you click here, you will get a list of exhibitor drawings and special events. And don't forget to browse the booths to find codes and clues for the exhibit showcase word scramble, which is the ACHA raffle, and you can find more details by clicking this button. All the information we've shown you can also be accessed through the main menu at the top of the page. For example, under programs and events, you can get to the live education sessions, on-demand sessions, posters, and meetings from here. And also there's a navigate the meeting menu that we'd like to point out, which is where you'll find all the instructions that you should need. We encourage you to carefully read through the CE instructions and the help and FAQs in particular. The FAQs page will give you access to the login video we mentioned earlier, information about the time zones that we mentioned earlier, system requirements, and more. Here you'll also find details on how to download and log in to the conference mobile app. The meeting's final program can be found in two places, under the Program and Events menu and under the Resources menu. The Resources menu also contains abstract books. Click on the Sponsors menu to find out more about this year's meeting sponsors. On the home page, we also encourage you to scroll down and view a special message from ACHA President Kim Webb. Also, the State of ACHA video is a special opening address that's been pre-recorded from your ACHA leadership. Everything on the site is ready for you to explore. If you have questions after looking around, please contact education@acha.org. Enjoy the meeting.